What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru back with another one. So today, wish I had a cool video, but we're working on the maxima. So about to show y'all what's going on with that, and a little smidgy update on the Camaro. As y'all already know, today is what, like March 17th or something like that, or the 20th or something. I just know it's a Sunday. I've been working all motherfucking week, 7 days a week, you know, grinding to get what, I ain't gonna tell y'all yet, but yeah, a nigga been grinding. Young man been grinding. Well, not that young. A man been grinding, you feel me? But yeah, so smidgety update on this. This is actually gonna go to the shop on 4/20 because the shop pushed the date back. So damn, the cat been out here on this motherfucker. See these little paw prints. Okay. Alright. But anywho, so it's going to the shop March 20th, and we will be videoing that. But to the maxima. So on today's agenda, had to work earlier this morning, got off. I get up at 4 o'clock every morning, y'all, to go to work. So I didn't want to bore y'all with the taking off the tire and all that. So I already took off the tire. If y'all don't know, y'all see that's a pair of brakes. And y'all probably, some of y'all know what's in there, some of y'all don't. But look, man. Oh shit, almost break my ankle. Look at this. I done went down too low on my brakes, and I done went into my rotors. So therefore, I gotta change the rotors, y'all. So for those out there, if you know you need brakes, change them then before you need rotors, because that's an even more expensive bill, you feel me? I ended up spending $160 for brakes and rotors today. It really could have just been $70 if I would have got the brakes when I knew I needed them. But I was being lazy. And not only that, I work 7 days a fucking week right now, so I didn't feel like doing it. I was tired. So that's my fault. It's my mother fault, y'all. So I'm gonna take these brake pads off, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to change the rotors and all that good stuff. Check y'all out in a second. What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru back with another one. As y'all see, I'm on my phone inside the car. That big ass bolt, I couldn't get it off. I'm like, yo, I work too much to be trying to take it off my hand. So I'm going to Harbor Freight. I'm about to go get me one of them 1/2-inch impacts, and I'm a bow, yeah, that's coming off just like that. And then for any other jobs, I'll just give me an adapter or something and just use that. Hopefully I don't break too many tools. But about to hop on this here freeway. Give y'all a little pull. Y'all ain't seen a Tesla pull in a minute on the channel. On a Sunday in lovely California. Sunday Fun Day is what we call it out here. I mean, a lot of places probably call it Sunday Fun Day. People bring out their clean whips and whatnot. Hit various places, the beach. It was a quarantine cruise today. I wish I would have been able to go. Seeing as one, the Maxima's brakes sounded like shit. So I definitely wasn't trying to ride around in public like that. And secondly, it's the Maxima, like not taking that to the quarantine cruise. So I think we got like another month before I go ahead and pull the trigger on getting the car I want to bring to the channel. Here's y'all. Like I said, I'm finna head to Harbor Freight. I will get at y'all when I get there. Check y'all out in a second. Oh, I hate that shit. Keep staying in the lane, Tesla. But alright, check y'all out later. What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru. I'm back sitting in a drive-through at this one food spot by my house, not too far, but about to get some food. Matter of fact, so y'all get to see I bought the impact. Y'all see that? Stupid ass impact didn't come with the battery, so I had to buy that extra. Then it didn't come with the charger either, so I had to buy that separate. Harbor Freight, I should have just took my ass to motherfucking Home Depot with the amount of money I still spent thinking I was gonna get a deal because I saw the gun was $59, but then this was $23, and then this was like $30. See how Harbor Freight be doing this? I don't have none of the tools. They just one main thing. Harbor Freight needs to change that. Need to have sell the impact with the battery and the charger, and I'll be selling shit separately. Like, oh, you getting it cheap? It's dumb, but anyway. Yeah, man. So I need to get that boat off, but I'm a little hungry. I didn't eat yesterday, so I just been working so much. So I'm like, fuck, I gotta eat today. I still gotta go to work tomorrow Monday. Shit don't stop. Especially for the company I work for. I work for a company that makes over $2.5 million in a week. And I'm talking about in a 5-day span. So they working us like dogs. Keeping these natural gas tanks out to the East Coast. Yeah, I make natural gas tanks. We could talk about that another time, but yeah, they pay me well, but they also work me like a dog. So, what we gonna see soon, while I work so much, pop out with that motherfucking, ooh, you thought I was gonna tell you. But I'll check y'all out later when I get back to the house. I'm back at the pad, y'all. So, let's get to unboxing this Bayer, or however you say, 20-volt Hypermax lithium. Produces 3,000 impacts per minute. Compact, lightweight design, all metal gear construction. 450 pounds of torque, bolt breakaway torque. Y'all seen that problem I was having with that bolt outside. So variable speed trigger control. It's real to 2000. Let's see all the specs. We already got the price breakdown from me. So let's go ahead and open this thing on up. I'm ready to be done doing these brakes. Bam. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Oh shit, y'all know that song. But I don't listen to it. I just heard this clip on Instagram 1,000 times. For a half inch impact has the same weight as every other one, which is not a surprise. As y'all see, red is my favorite color, so that's why I didn't go with the blue one. Hercules over there at Harbor Freight. I don't like blue. Sorry. So you won't ever see me get a blue car or nothing like that. So then we got here the battery. Damn it. I got scissors over here, guys. I have scissors. This is the charger. And I'm thinking I'm gonna have to charge it before I can snap that bolt off. But trust me, I will try. I will try. So bear with me. Cut that off. Boom, bam. Pop. Pop. I used to have a DeWalt, but it was a 1/2 inch driver. It was a 3/8 driver, so we got rid of that. That's good for a little small work, but not a lot of work. I have to wake up over there. Let's cut this. Goddamn. What can put open this with? There we go. A lot simpler than I thought. They recommend you get the 3-hour one for the 3A battery for best use, but that shit was like $50, and I don't feel like spending that right now. I'm trying to save money, and brakes is already $100-something, and I just bought this gun just to do the damn brakes, and that was $100-something. We had a total of like $300 for sure for the day, since I stopped and got something to eat. So $300 for the day? I just hope I can get the gun back there and get it off. I didn't really think about that. If I can get this and back there to fit somewhere and get it off. Because if I can't, I just spent all that money for nothing. So yeah, let's go to the front, dog. Let's come on, y'all. Let's go. Show y'all my food. That's what I got. I already ate some of it. Yeah. Ooh, let's hurry up and not get monetized. Mom in there listening to those sweets. Stop playing with it. All right. So, y'all set up right there. I don't even have the goddamn keys. Go. That's what I was in fear of, the room. What room? Or shorter. Shorter socket. A shorter socket could always work. There we go. Why did you bring it before? I'll be ready. What's the deal, y'all? Car Guru here in this video off. So yeah, that impact, that's right there, that I got from Harbor Freight. It didn't get that bolt off, so I just ended up putting the brakes on. So I didn't want to bore y'all with all that. But in the next video I have dropping this week, I'm gonna give y'all some POV footage of some driving in the Maxima. You know, give y'all some more footage of the Maxima before I hop in my new whip. So thank y'all for checking out the new video. Take y'all for all the subscribers. And check y'all in the next one.
On money pot, man, naga, that's my ringtone. I think my ancestors calling, I cannot ignore them. Mixing it up.